Oh no, my massager keyboard is broken. Or maybe it's working too well. It won't stop vibrating. Let me just get this shut off. If you haven't seen the back of this, it is quite complicated. There's a lot going on back here. So the problem is when I plug it in, they all turn on all at once, continuously, and that's not what we want. We want them to vibrate at a specific speed to make a note whenever I push one of these keys, so it's like a musical instrument. And despite the fact that there is a lot going on back here, I think I found the problem. This little jerk right here decided to disconnect. Now, did that work? Please be quiet when I do this. Oh, that's a good sign. Yes, yes, yes. And one more. Come on. Yeah! Give me a C. Yes! We are back. Being a massage music maestro.